Hello everyone. Today we will learn about adverbs of degree. Adverbs of degree tell us to show to what extent or how much has an action been done or will be done. They answer the question how much. Let us take this example. The accident victim nearly died from his injuries. Here the verb is died and the adverb is nearly. Let us take more examples. She doesn't quite know what she will do after university. They are completely exhausted from the trip. I am too tired to go out tonight. He hardly noticed what she was saying. So, in these sentences, adverbs of degree are quite, completely, too, hardly. Now, few common adverbs of degree are given in this list, children. Just go through them. Now, where are adverbs of degree usually placed? They are usually placed before the adjective or adverb they are modifying. Let us take this example. The water was extremely cold. That is, it is describing how cold the water was. That is extremely. It is also placed before the main verb. Let us take these examples. He was just leaving. She has almost finished. In these sentences, just and almost are the adverbs of degree, and they are placed before the main verb leaving and finished. Understood, children? Now let us see where this adverb enough is placed. Enough as an adverb meaning to the necessary degree is placed after adjectives and adverbs also, children. For better understanding, let us take these examples. Is your coffee hot enough? In this sentence, enough is placed after the adjective hot, where it is describing the necessary degree. Let us take this example. He didn't work hard enough. Here, enough is placed after the adverb hard. Again, it is describing the necessary degree. Understood, children? One important thing, children. Enough is also placed before nouns. That means as much as is necessary. In this case, it is not an adverb but a determiner. Now, what are determiners? They are words placed in front of a noun to make it clear what the noun refers to. Now let us understand this through these examples. We have enough bread, they don't have enough food. So enough is placed before the nouns bread and food. Understood, children? Now let us take another adverb too, meaning more than is necessary or useful. It goes before adjective and adverbs. Let us take these examples. This coffee is too hot. So, too is placed before the adjective hot. He works too hard. So, here too is placed before the adverb hard. One more important thing, children. Enough and too with adjectives can be followed by for someone or something. Let us take these examples. The dress was big enough for me. She's not experienced enough for this job. The coffee was too hot for me. The dress was too small for her. So notice in these sentences, enough and too is followed by for. We can use to and infinite after enough and too with adjectives and adverbs. Let us take these examples. The coffee was too hot to drink. He didn't work hard enough to pass the exam. She is not old enough to get married. You are too young to have grandchildren. Remember, children, infinitive is to plus verb. That is to drink, to pass, to get, to have. Next we have very. It goes before an adverb or adjective to make it stronger. Let us take these examples. The painting was very beautiful. It is placed before adjective beautiful. He worked very quickly. So it is placed before the adverb quickly. Be careful, children. There is a big difference between to and very. They are not same. Very expresses the fact and to suggests that there is a problem. Let us understand by taking these two examples. He speaks very quickly. He speaks too quickly. In the first sentence, it is expressing the fact that he speaks quickly. In the second sentence, it is telling that he is speaking so fast that it is difficult to understand him. Alright, children. Some adverbs are placed in order of strength from positive to negative. Here is a list of these common adverbs. Now from this list we will take the adverb rather. So rather can be positive or negative depending on the adjective or adverb that follows. Now let us take these sentences. The teacher was rather nice. The film was rather disappointing. So first sentence rather is showing the positive degree, and the second sentence it is showing the negative degree. I hope the concept of adverbs of degree is clear to you, children. Now let us quickly do this worksheet. You have to choose the correct adverb of degree and fill in the blanks. That friend of yours is dash lazy. The options are absolutely or extremely. So the answer is extremely. Next, it was dash freezing this morning. The options are a bit or absolutely. So the answer is absolutely. Next we have Victoria, in my opinion, is dash mad. The options are completely or highly. So the answer is completely. Samantha is a dash skilled computer technician. Completely or highly. So the answer is highly. Sean lives a dash stressful life. The options are quite and very. So the answer is very. I hope it is clear, children. Now here is an worksheet for you to practice. So keep practicing. Thank you.